In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add elements in Canva. Whether you're crafting a stunning presentation, designing a social media post, or brainstorming the next big flyer, the ability to seamlessly add and manipulate elements in Canva is an invaluable skill. It's incredibly intuitive, and I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step, to make your Canva journey smooth and enjoyable. First, let's dive into the Canva interface. Once you've opened your design project, you'll want to locate the side panel on the left-hand side of your screen. Among the options there, like uploads, text, and background, you'll notice a button labeled Elements. Click on this Elements button to open a treasure trove of design possibilities. This section is your gateway to discovering various components you can use to enhance your project. Now, after clicking on the Elements tab, you'll be presented with a search bar at the top of this panel. This is where your creative freedom really comes alive. You can type in any keyword or category that springs to mind. Let's say, for example, you're looking to incorporate some geometric shapes. Simply type shapes into the search bar and voila! A collection of shapes will pop up for you to choose from. Hovering over the options, you'll see that Canva provides a wide array of these elements, from simple circles and squares to more intricate designs. They are just waiting to be added to your canvas. Don't hesitate to take your time browsing through as many options as you need until you find the perfect fit for your design. Once you've spotted the element that resonates with your project, it's time to incorporate it. And here's the fun part, it's as easy as drag and drop. Click on your chosen shape, hold down your mouse and drag it onto your design canvas. Release the mouse button and there it is, ready for you to further adjust and tailor it to your liking. With this versatile drag and drop feature, you can easily reposition and resize the element by clicking and dragging the corners of the bounding box of your shape. Feel free to experiment, stretching or shrinking the element, rotating it, or altering its color to match your style guide. That's all it takes to add elements to your Canva project. Each step is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to effortlessly weave together creative designs. With practice, you'll find new and exciting ways to bring your vision to life. Thank you for watching and happy designing with Canva.